welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the August Boxycharm unboxing, and it is a try-on video. So I did do this makeup look using all the products that we received in this month's box. Again, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription site where you get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size, sometimes deluxe size products, and usually the retail value of the box is over $100. So I think it is totally worth it. And if you would like to sign up for yourself and try it out, I do have a link down below. If you would like to see how I got this look and what products I received in this month's box, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I already opened the box just to see what I got in the box, so I know not to apply anything. But of course, you get the little booklet, and then there's 2 coupon codes in the back. For Smashbox, 20% off. Then you use the code BOXY20, and then for Laura Lee Los Angeles, it's 25% off of your order with the code LLLACharm25. So I think that's pretty cool. And this month's theme is Life of the Party. And then it's just Laura Lee and I guess other influencers, I guess, using the products. And then so this is a list of all the products you get with the prices, and we do get 6 products, 6 items in this box. So yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna take it out. The first thing I'm gonna use from this month's box are these Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and you get 3 of them. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these, and these retail for $13, and I think it's for the 3-pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. Ooh, they're so cooling. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, so we just apply them and we wait 10 to 15 minutes. So while those are on, the next item I'm gonna take from the box is by Bang Beauty, and this is a gel eyeliner, and the shade I got is in chocolate. So since it's in the shade chocolate, like a brown color, I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my brows, but that retails for $22. So I'm just gonna apply that with my NYX brush in the number 18. Okay, so these are our brows completed, and I actually do like this for the brows. It is super creamy. The only thing is it obviously doesn't match my hair color, but I mean, it's totally fine. We're gonna make it work for the video. I think it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these so we can move on to what's in our box. Okay, so the next thing in the box is the 12-hour Shine Control Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. So it's just like a matte primer. This retails for, it says $15 to $18. I don't know if it was just me, but I thought we were getting like a full-size primer. I don't think this is full-size, right? I don't know. Let me know if this is full-size or not. It doesn't seem full-size to me, but I mean, whatever. So let's go ahead and prime our face. So it does feel like a little like sticky, like for sure it's gonna keep me matte, which I mean, I do look pretty matte right now. Yeah, so far I like it. So I'm just gonna keep trying that out and hopefully it'll become a favorite. Okay, so the next thing in the box that I'm gonna take out is the thing I'm super excited about. It's the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette, and this retails for $19. And look at those colors. So since I do my eyes before my face, I'm gonna go ahead and try to use all these colors and create a look. I'm gonna take It's a Party and apply that in my crease. So it blended out really nicely. I know she had said that this was like a green. It looks, I mean, it's like a yellow green in the pan, but I mean, it comes off more yellow on the eyes. The next shade I'm gonna take is Drinks, which is the orange shade. But I'm gonna apply that Drinks shade in my crease and blend it up into the It's a Party shade. Okay, so I was gonna take Bottoms Up, which is this hot pink. As you can see, it does have some sparkle in it. I wanted to take that kind of in the crease too and onto my lid, but it's kind of really glittery, so I don't know if I should do that. We'll go ahead and still apply that. So right under the orange shade, we're gonna apply that Bottoms Up. It has a lot of like kick up, if you can see that. So now that we have that applied, I'm gonna go in with Hungover, which is this dark purple shade. So I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit for this shade. Do you see all that fallout? It does have a lot of fallout too, so if you're someone that does their base before their eyes, I would suggest, if you're using this palette, to do your eyes and then your base. Okay, so we lost a little of that pink shade and the orange shade, so I'm just gonna go ahead and intensify those. Okay, so majority of my base is done, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line, and I want to use the last two colors. So I'm gonna place this shade Karaoke, which is this darker blue, on the outer part of my lower lash line, and then Damage Control towards the inner part. First, I'm gonna apply some eyeliner to my waterline. Okay, so they pretty much faded into like one color blue. This Karaoke shade is really pretty though. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some really dramatic lashes because this is a party look. So this is the completed eye. And I mean, it was my mistake for putting a shimmery color in the crease. I think that's why it was hard to blend. But I mean, that was my fault. The palette is really good. It is like, it has a lot of kickback, you know, but I mean, it's okay. I'm fine with it. But I really do like this palette. It's just, I shouldn't have put the pink shade in my crease. Next product that I have is by NCLA Los Angeles, and it says treatment so rich vitamin E infused cuticle oil. So this is a cuticle oil, and this retails for $18, which is pretty pricey. I haven't used cuticle oil in a long time, but it's just a little dropper. Oh, and it smells like vanilla or something. It smells really, really good. So I'm gonna have to try that out later. And the last thing in the box is by Smashbox, and this is the Be Legendary Liquid Metal in the shade Petal Metal. So I'm guessing it's like this rose gold metallic lip, which I'm not a big fan of metallic lips. I mean, like on myself, they look nice on other people, you know? But, oh, sorry, this retails from, it says anywhere from $21 to $24. But like I was saying, I'm really not into metallic lips. And I kind of don't want to open this or apply it because I'm gonna have a giveaway soon. I'm gonna announce a giveaway for my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. It's coming up at the end of the month. Kind of want to not apply this and maybe throw it into the giveaway. But this is the shade, if you can see. It's just like a rose gold pretty much. It's really, really pretty. I don't think I'm gonna apply this. I think I'm just gonna give it away in the giveaway. So overall, I really like the box. I mean, I just didn't like the metallic lip, but I mean, you know, it's fine. I did like the Bang Beauty gel liner. I wouldn't use it as a liner. I would use it for my brows. Like the palette, if you don't have like a colorful palette, you pretty much have like the colors you would need, you know? I'm gonna try the cuticle oil tonight before bed. I like the eye patches. I didn't see a difference, but I mean, it was a one-time use. I like the primer. Hopefully it'll make my makeup last and keep me matte longer. The total was $114, which, I mean, it's pretty good. You're only paying $21 a month. I do have a link down below in the description bar if you want to sign up for yourself. And they're doing a thing for the month of August. If you use anyone's referral code to sign up, you and that person will receive a free Becca highlighter. I think that's really awesome. So yeah, and there is no wait list. So if you sign up now, you will get this month's box. And I think it is totally worth it, like totally worth it. But yeah, so that concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.